until October.
There's just one way to feel about having a sister like you.
October.
Lucky. Have a great birthday, love, Jonathan and Tommy. This one, you can help her open this one. Let me get the ribbon off. Okay, now you can rip that open.
Hiya. Move him a little more to your side.
Oh.
Can you sit over here? Hi.
Ten
Wow, so nice.
Oh, very good. Maya, look. Let's see what Brother's got for you.
What is it?
Whoops, let Maya look now.
Whoops, I'm glad I didn't get that one.
It's mine.
Okay, you can look at that one now. Here, Maya, look
All
at
of
this
Maya's
one.
presents are Tom.
This will be fun on your
Thank
birthday.
you.
Maya will get to open your presents.
No, but
Maya